Good afternoon. My name is Juan Jesus. Te presento my activity finally. Esta actividad se presenta un texto de las vacaciones nuevas comparadas con las vacaciones antiguas que pasaron mal. Uh, Hi, I hope you are doing well. I want to tell you about my upcoming vacation to Brazil. We're scheduled to fly out this weekend, and we plan to visit Christi the Redentor, hit the beach, and go out play with our friends. We might also check out a famous museum in the country in my city, in packing shorts and t-shirts in case the weather changes, along with some knickers caps and sneakers. I hope this trip goes better than the last one everything we were in Cancun, and we drank really good nothing in preparing. I think we'll have a much better time on this trip and my some unforgettable memories. See you then. Take care.